Hi, today I have Oppo A40 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set our data limits, we must open our settings application. In it, we choose mobile network and their data usage. Now we tap on data usage limit and there we can set it. First step, we can set when our session starts, maybe first day of each month. Confirm by OK, and there we can set our daily data usage limit. We must turn on it, and now we must enter number, how many we want in gigabytes, megabytes. Maybe we set 15 megabytes per day, and there we can set what happens when we use it. We get alert, and we get alert, and our data will be turned off. And after we set it, press done, and the same story with monthly data limit. Turn on it. We can set it maybe on 5 gigabytes. And there we can choose what happened, and also we can turn on our data warming and set after how many gigabytes or megabytes we used we get more warming, maybe after we used 4 gigabytes. Confirm by done, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.